To keep your number hidden when making calls on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to hide your caller ID. To do so, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Supplementary Services. Tap Show your caller ID and then select Never. With this setting, when you make a call, the receiver will see private number instead of your phone number. Given to the function, using a private number helps protect your privacy when calling unknown contacts, making business inquiry, or avoiding unwanted callbacks. However, some people might reject call from hidden number, and emergency services will still be able to identify your real number. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.